Hi, to enter and exit Fastboot mode on Xiaomi 13, we need to turn off the phone first. For that, just hold the power button till you see this menu appears on the screen, or if you have Google Assistant feature set up for the power button, then hold power and volume up buttons till you see this menu as well. Now we need to slide to power off. And when the screen will be completely turned off, we would need to press and hold power and volume down buttons till we could see the word Fastboot. And while we are waiting, I'm gonna just explain you what this mode does. So this mode helps to renew the flash files on your Android devices directly, and it is an alternative to the recovery mode that helps you with the installations and updates. Also, it helps to modify or write data directly to your phone's flash memory. And while I was talking, we just entered Fastboot already. So that's it how it looks. And to exit the mode, you would need to simply hold the power button about 7 seconds, and then the phone will reboot itself and turn on, and you'll be able to use it like you would normally do. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.